Unless you were born into the wealthy elite, you didn't get a good financial education. So let's begin with a crash course on wealth building. Then I'll show you a system where you can accelerate the wealth building process using the same principles the wealthy use over and over again. The first wealth building principle is known as leverage. The second wealth building principle is known as compounding. We're going to talk a lot more about these principles in the videos you see on this page, and we're going to share with you exactly how you can use this system to apply these principles to build wealth. To get in touch with just how quickly these two principles can change your life once you apply them and change your financial situation, let's take a look at an illustration called the cash flow quadrant. You might have heard of it. The cash flow quadrant was created by Robert Kiyosaki decades ago. It's been used to teach thousands of people successfully to become financially free. It's the starting point, understanding the E, which stands for employee, and the S, which stands for self-employed, trades their time for money and can therefore never build wealth. As long as you're making your money from the left side of the quadrant with the E or the S, you cannot be financially free because you're trading your time for money. This is where most people were conditioned to believe they needed to make their money, while the wealthy elite operate from the right side of the quadrant and teach their children to make their money from the right side of the quadrant. The B, which stands for business system, and I, which stands for investor. This provides residual or walk-away income. This allows financial freedom. I'm going to show you a simple system that allows you to move from the left side of the quadrant where you're trading time for money and can never be financially free, and moving you over to the right side as a business system owner and investor. That's what this system is going to show you how to do. So you can tap into leverage and compounding, the two wealth building principles that we're going to be sharing with you throughout the rest of the videos on this page. This is very easy to learn and very easy to put to work. You just have to watch the videos on this page to understand how the system consistently duplicates the wealth building process. You can put this system to work for you without having to risk a lot of capital and without having to quit your job or leave a business you have right now until after you've created enough residual income to safely be able to leave a job or close a current business when you choose to. And if you're already retired, you can use this system to significantly improve your current lifestyle and financial situation. If you aren't prepared for retirement but feel you need to get there fast, you can use this system to shorten the number of years it takes to be able to retire or to pursue other interests that you have. Now, you might remember, earlier in this video, I used the term residual income to describe the type of income you can generate using this system. What is residual income? This is income you get coming in without needing to trade your time away to continue receiving it. That's what you generate as a business system owner, residual income, using the first wealth building principle we're going to focus on in the next video called leverage. Warren Buffett said, to build wealth, you must be able to make money while you sleep. That's exactly what this system allows you to do. By giving you the ability to capitalize on the two most powerful principles of the wealthy, leverage and compounding, through the business system and investor quadrants. The videos on this page will show you exactly how it all works. Continue on to the next video to learn more about the first wealth building principle through the business system known as leverage that offers you residual income. Learn how you can use this system to build wealth.